Hi, and welcome to episode 2 of the second module. In this episode, we'll cover practical tips for presenting while seated and the best ways to engage your audience in live tutorial Zoom sessions. You might have noticed that seated presentations are often more challenging to deliver than standing presentations. It can be difficult to generate an energetic delivery of a lesson while seated at your computer. Before we begin, it's worthwhile noting that similar to a standing presentation, the background of a seated presentation is likewise important. Consider the atmosphere you want to create by arranging an appropriate backdrop for your scene. For Zoom sessions, good lighting improves the visual quality and therefore engagement. A good trick is to use the torch from a mobile phone. Placing it at the keyboard level and facing it upwards can provide excellent yet simple lighting for your at-home studio. Now let's talk about how to actually present. The most engaging online lessons are performed, while not acted. You're performing, but you're not acting. The focus is on you, the lecturer. And it's important that you're aware of the performative elements on screen. Looking into the camera lens of your computer, sitting up straight in your chair, and using the strategies of episode 1 will assist you in engaging your students. Be conversational and interactive. A live interactive online lesson leads itself naturally to a more conversational style. Striking a balance between performance and conversation in seated presentations is really important. For a conversation to work, both parties need to contribute. In Zoom lessons, opportunities should be given for students to raise their virtual hands, to ask questions, to comment. So make sure you allow for moments in the lecture where students can do this. Another suggestion is the use of breakout rooms. Breakout rooms available in Zoom can keep energy and engagement high, promoting conversation and discussion between the students. This creates a great camaraderie. When the breakout session is complete, allowing for group feedback to the whole class generates energy and camaraderie for both you and the class. Leading Zoom sessions can be very demanding. So remember to take short breaks to give yourself and your students quick stretching breaks. Here's a quick one that you can include in your Zoom session. Twist around to the right of your chair and grab the back of it. I'll demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're presenting on Zoom, you can get a little stiff and tired, so make sure that you stand up. Make sure that you shake out your body and make sure that you stretch out so that you're feeling more relaxed when you come back to Zoom. So to recap, presenting on camera from a seated position can be really challenging. It's difficult to project and maximize the power from your diaphragm. So when you're seated, try and strike a balance between performance and conversation. Break up the lecture with moments of interaction and allow for movement in order to generate greater energy. You've now completed the second episode of our visual module.